In this video today, I'm going to show you how you can make 2000 naira daily just by writing. If you have been writing on Facebook, if you have been writing on WhatsApp, on your WhatsApp status, if you be writing love letter to your friends and a lot of stuff like this, you don't need to be a professional writer before you can start making money on this platform. So to make money on this platform is very easy and straight to the point. You don't need to write 10,000 words, you don't need to write 1,000 words, you just need a minimum of at least 200 words, which are going to be very easy for your readers to get to understand, or it can also be for comic purposes. So I'm going to take you through how you can sign up on this platform and the step-by-step way. So I'll be dropping in the link to this platform in the description below, so make sure you click on the link and sign up on this platform. So as you can see this platform earn money and get paid. You can also advertise your business and get massive audience all at this platform. So you just click on create an account. When I will take you directly, when you click on the link on the description, it's going to take you directly to this platform, as you can see here, and you can check the available payment methods. They have a bank transfer which they pay you directly to your bank account. Say they support payments to Nigeria banks only with a low minimum withdrawal of 150 naira. So with 150 naira you'll be able to withdraw. Cryptocurrencies, they also provide cryptocurrency payment worldwide, transactions in bitcoins, dogecoin, minimum of 1000 naira. As you can see here, they also provide faucet pay. They says we also provide payment for user with faucet pay with a low minimum withdrawal of 150 naira. As you can check their payout reviews on Trustpilot. You can see here they have a 4.5 star rating on Trustpilot. So what do they offer? It says, hey there, welcome to this platform, a robust and user-friendly platform that simplifies online earning, making it both easier and more delightful. Embark on a journey to skyrocket to your earnings to a new height. So you can check up their features, more features about them. It says their withdrawals enters your bank account just within 24 hours. Our withdrawal process is quicker than you anticipate, directly into any Nigeria bank account with a minimum withdrawal amount of 150 naira. And there are also ways in which you can make money on this platform, and that is through referrals. So without wasting much time, we'll just be moving directly to the sign up process and how you can sign up on this process. So you click on sign up. So this is how you can sign up on this platform. So what we'll just do is we enter our full name. We enter our full name on this platform. Please, if this is your first time of visiting my YouTube channel, my name is Basi Ejubajon. I'm a medical student in the University of Calabar, and in my channel we talk about how you can make money online as a total beginner in 2024. So if you love content like this, don't forget to hit on the red subscribe button so that you can continue getting updates anytime I drop videos like this, and so that you can also help me grow. And just like I said, I'm going to show you how you can sign up on this platform and earn 2000 naira daily just by writing with a minimum withdrawal of 150 naira. So let's go through it. So our phone number is optional, so not necessarily giving our phone number. So you put in your password. We put in our password. Alright, we also confirm our password. Let's confirm our password so that we can be able to sign up on this platform. So we click on sign up and we allow it to load. So this is the platform that is loading. It says successfully you have created an account. Please wait while you are being redirected. So let's wait for the redirection from this platform. Alright, so we are being redirected. Can try to check more of my videos. I make videos like this of how you can make money online, so you can start to check more of my videos. So let's give in our username. Let's put in our username. Right, what is happening? Alright, our username, let's put in our username, the username you use in creating the account the first time. So our password, let's put in our password. Alright, and let's click on sign in. Alright, it says success, account validated successfully. So let's wait while we are being redirected to the main site now, which is our dashboard. So I can see here it is loading, and this is the interface of the platform. This is the interface of the platform, which is actually loading. So let's wait for it to open. So as you can see here, alright, over 400 tags that is available. You click here to end up to. So let's just click on this aspect for now. We should get back to it later. Please click. Alright, what's there? We saw something like point. So this is our main balance, which is 0 naira. This is our deposit, and this is our referral statistics that is still on 0 naira. So let's click on this drop down menu. As you can see here, this is contest, this is challenges, this is withdrawal, deposit. This is if you want to deposit, that you want to fund your payroll account. That's if you are here to give out tax for people. So as you can see here, for you to, as a writer, as you are coming here to come and write, you just have to scroll, and you see here create blocks. As you can see on the screen, it says create blocks. So all what you just have to do is to click on the create blocks. Just click on create block, and you allow it to open. This is a platform that helps you monetize your writing skills and help you get paid. Now it says your blog cannot promote or endorse product websites to be featured on payroll. Now the first thing you have to do is to click on Rhythmo, because you must make sure you follow them on Medium. And this platform pays you per impression. They pay you per impression, and they give you 1000 naira per 8k impression. So what you just have to do is to click on Rhythmo. That you have to follow them on Medium first. So as you can see, it says for your creativity. So you just have to follow them on Medium. So you click on follow. But if you don't have an account on Medium yet, it would require you to sign up on Medium for you to be able to follow them. As you can see here, I've just signed up on the platform, and you can see that I am now following payroll on Medium. As you can see here, you can see the following. To just sign up on Medium, you can either sign up with just your Google account. So let's go back now. Let's go back to our payroll, so that we can continue, because this is just the registration. Remember, we registered on Medium. So let's go back to our payroll. Alright, so we just followed payroll on Medium, and just like I was telling you people, I was saying that when you monetize your writing skills with payroll, you have 1000 naira per 8k impression. So what you just have to do now is to enter your blog title. This is if you want to start writing on this platform. As you can see here, if you want to start writing on this platform, so what you just have to do is to enter your blog title. Let's enter a blog title. How to maximize your studies as a Nigerian student, So that is our topic, as a student in 2024. So that is our blog title. Alright, it's even more than 30 words. Let's just say 30. How to maximize your studies. Let's just end it at how to maximize your studies, right? We are correct. So as you can see here now, you just have to start writing. Now, if you don't actually know how to go about it, you understand, if you are not a good writer, what you just have to do is that you can just create a new tab. And go to ChatGPT. Please make sure you click on the red subscribe button. Please subscribe to my YouTube channel so that I will grow and so that I'll feel motivated to continue dropping videos like this, which will be helpful to you and your friends who will come across my channel. So now this is ChatGPT. We can just drop a prompt now to ChatGPT. Says, hello ChatGPT. Hello GPT. Write me a blog post, of not less than 200 words on how to maximize studies. And your line is to open. So now GPT is going to give you a drop down blog post. So what you just have to do is, this ChatGPT now is going to write down your blog post for you. As you can see, it's sending. So GPT is going to write for us. So let's just wait for it. It's writing. As you can see, it says how to maximize practical tips for success. Maximizing your studies is not just about studying hard. So as you can see here, ChatGPT is writing a blog post for us. So what we just have to do when ChatGPT is through with this blog post is that we just have to copy it. When you copy it, so let's just wait for ChatGPT to be through with what it is doing first. So when it is through, we just have to copy what ChatGPT has given to you, and you go back to the platform known as Payroot. So now what you just have to do is to paste it there on this box that was given to you. You paste it there and you click on save blog. When you click on save blog, your work is going to get published on this platform. And when it get published, you are free to share in your blog post to Facebook. You are free to share in your blog post to WhatsApp, to Instagram, to every or your social media platform, because what you just need on this platform is impression. For every 8,000 impression you have on this platform or on your blog post, you'll be able to earn 1,000 naira. So if you are looking for how you can withdraw your money on this platform, you just have to click on withdrawal and you allow it to open. As you can see here, you see your bank account. So you are just free to put your bank account number on this platform, put your bank name, and you put the name on your bank. You select your withdrawal priority, and you click on withdrawal amount, and you'll be able to withdraw your money. The minimum withdrawal here is just 150 naira, and when you withdraw, your withdrawal is irreversible. That means it's going straight to your bank account. So this is a very great opportunity in which you can use as a writer to make money in 2024, living in Nigeria as a student for side hustle. If you love this video, please don't forget to hit on that red subscribe button. Check the description of this video. I'm going to drop the link to this platform on the description. Try it out and drop in your comment. Once again, click on the red subscribe button so that you can continue getting updates anytime I drop videos like this, and so that you can also help me grow. And until I see you in my next video, I really love you. Thank you.